Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious flatbread. So today I'm not using my stand mixer. I'm adding my flour into a large bowl, followed by some salt. I distribute the salt so that it doesn't have contact, like direct contact with the yeast, and then next I'm adding in my yeast. Mix that in again, and then I'm adding in my milk, followed by some water and oil. Give this all a good mix using a spatula and then try and knead it together. Once I've got all my dough together, I then separate it into 6 equal parts, and obviously at the end you will have 6 pieces of bread, but this depends on the size of the balls that you have. Roll the dough out and fold the corners inwards for each piece of dough, and then rest aside for about 10 minutes. Keep doing this until you've done it to every single ball. Once they've rested, roll them out into flatbread shapes, adding 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan each time. I like to start off by having my pan on hot and then reduce into medium. As you're cooking, you'll see air bubbles form, and then you can flip it over. So you basically cook them on each side for a couple of minutes until golden, and then you can remove them from the pan. So each time I add in a piece of bread, I then add in some more oil, no more than a tablespoon. And at the end, I like to add about 3 to 2 tablespoons of butter mixed with some fresh herbs onto each bread. And this is what the final product looks like. This is in my top 5 bread recipes. I absolutely love this. It's super soft and really easy to do when you're in a rush. If you like this recipe, be sure to let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!